Welcome everyone, this is WarMachine. Today we talk about Apache. The Boeing AH-64 Apache is the main attack helicopter of the U.S. Army since it was put into use in 1984. It has been an indispensable weapon in modern warfare. Known for its powerful firepower, high mobility, and advanced electronic warfare capabilities, it has participated in many military conflicts. Length 17.73 meters, machine height 4.6 per meters, rotor speed diameter 14.63 meters, maximum to 193 kilometers per hour, piston General Electric T700G701C turboshaft engine. The AH-64 Apache weapon is mainly equipped with a 30mm M230 chain gun cannon, equipped with 1,200 rounds of ammunition, and can also carry 70mm Hydra 70 rockets and can carry up to 76 rockets. Or carry AGM-11 for Hellfire anti-missile equipment. Each aircraft can carry up to 16. In addition, mainly the Ministry of Foreign Affairs mounts AIM-90 Stinger air-to-air missiles for self-defense. Apache has advanced avionics equipment, including target acquisition and weapons system TADS, pilot night vision system (PNVS), advanced defense electronic countermeasure systems, etc., to assist personnel driving. Our paramilitary strike has proven its value in multiple operations, including the Gulf War, Afghanistan, and Iraq. Provide close air fire support to ground forces to ensure the success of specific missions. Its efficient strike capability and survivability make it one of the important equipment pursued by the militaries of various countries.